In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Amazon gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to enter your code, how it applies to your total, and a few helpful tips to make checkout smooth. First, sign into your Amazon account on the website or the mobile app. You'll need to be logged in so the system can apply your gift card to the correct account. Have your gift card or e-gift code handy, and make sure you're shopping on the correct regional Amazon site that matches where the card was issued, since gift cards are typically region-specific. Next, shop like you normally would. Browse for the item or items you want, then add them to your cart. When you're ready, open your cart and proceed to checkout. This takes you to the place where you can apply your gift card. On the checkout page, review your shipping address and delivery options, then head to the payment section. Look for the box that says something like gift card, voucher, or promotional code. Type your gift card code into that box. Don't worry about capitalization. Capital letters aren't required. Most codes ignore hyphens, so you can include them or leave them out, but avoid spaces. If it's a physical card with a scratch-off area, make sure all characters are clear. It's easy to mix up letters like O and numbers like 0. Click Apply. You'll see the order total update right away. If your gift card covers the entire purchase, including taxes and shipping, your total might drop to 0. If it only covers part of the cost, it will reduce your total, and you can pay the remaining balance with your usual payment method. That partial application is perfectly normal and a great way to use smaller balances. Once a gift card amount is applied at checkout, it's used for that purchase. If there's money left over from the card, the remaining balance typically stays on your account and can be used automatically on future eligible orders. If you cancel the order or return an item, the refunded portion paid by gift card is usually returned to your gift card balance. And remember, gift card funds generally can't be used to buy other gift cards. A quick security tip: treat your gift card code like cash. Don't share it publicly and only enter it on the official Amazon checkout page. That's it. Log in, shop, proceed to checkout, enter your code, and apply it. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.